Hi, this is attorney Eric Lewis, and I just wanted to give you guys an update today regarding the updates in the Indiana Exemption Code. Of course, exemptions used in bankruptcy allow debtors to keep certain property or the value in certain property. And Indiana law requires that the exemption amounts be updated every 6 years. So as of March 1st, 2016, the applicable exemption amounts for someone filing bankruptcy in Indiana have changed. And basically those new numbers are not too much different from the previous amounts, but they're a little bit better. So with regard to real estate, basically if you own your home and you're trying to exempt equity to be able to keep your house, say in a Chapter 7, the new exemption amount is $19,300. A married couple that is both couple are on the deed and they're looking to file bankruptcy together can exempt, double up that exemption, and basically now that's $38,600. So in a Chapter 7 setting where they're looking to see if you have any non-exempt property to be able to pay your creditors, so now with the new exemption we're talking about you can shield $38,600 for a married couple if you're both on the deed. Or if you're just an individual filing and you own a home, you can maximize it up to $19,300 worth of equity, and there's no problem in you being able to keep your house and avoid liquidation. So when it comes to personal property, the previous exemption amount was $9,350, so that's gone up now to $10,250. So again, not a big change, kind of a modest adjustment, but when we're talking about personal, tangible property for a resident in Indiana filing bankruptcy, $10,000 and some change will pretty much cover everything you have. That includes ownership in a vehicle or multiple vehicles, just personal property, literally the clothes off your back, your furnishings, your electronics, everything of that sort. Now, the intangible personal property exemption, and then we've discussed this before in other videos, is very measly as far as Indiana's exemption for cash that you can have on hand, money in a bank account, stocks, bonds, those type of things. When somebody files bankruptcy, the old number used to be $350. That's how much you could have in your bank account when you filed. Now, of course, there's certain exceptions. Social Security, money from Social Security is fully exempt, for example, but $350 was the exempt amount. That has only gone up $50, so the amount now is $400. So as of, for cases that we're filing March 1st going forward, $400 in the bank, and then the amount of property that you can shield, being personal property, I think that's probably more important to everybody, is a little bit over $10,000 per person. So that new number is $10,250, and you double it up if you're joint filing a bankruptcy together as a married couple. So, and then of course keep in mind that in this video that we're only talking about Indiana residents. To take advantage of Indiana exemption law, you have to have been in the state, lived in the state at least 2 years prior to filing your bankruptcy. Otherwise, there are other bankruptcy laws that may apply. So that's all I've got for today. Any questions at any time, obviously contact my office, and we'll talk again later.